Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Peyton and Chloe.
You can't see me, but I'm right there.
Yeah. By the way, what should we name these guys?
I thought we already named them.
I think we should let them name them.
How much subscribers you got?
Probably like 5. You say these guys.
Beauty was thinking of midnight for one of the kittens, but we just don't know which one was it.
Say hello.
Dude, you got 15 kills.
Yeah, she doesn't like anyone. By the way,
I love that one. That one's my favorite. That one loves me.
What shall we name this one? Comment down below.
Show her face. Show her like real face, man.
What?
Like show her real face. Like the cute.
Then this one we were thinking of.
Good you are. Yes, you are.
We were thinking of Tiger for this one.
Fell over. The one just rolled over the camera.
And we were thinking of this one for Tiger. This one's trying to play, so that's why there was wait for. Okay, bring it to the mama. Sorry. Yeah, they're hungry.
This one's so cute. I love this one. This one's so cute.
We're not gonna end it now. We're not gonna end this video now.
What are we
By the way, you guys, I got new earrings.
God bless you.
Look, I got new earrings. My mom
No, look at her eyes. Look at her eyes. Look at how cute her eyes are.
Say hi to everyone. You're gonna be the star of the show. Actually, this one is gonna be the star.
We should name her Star.
No. They're gonna name her. Them.
We should probably name her Star.
No. This one is gonna be the star of the show. Even though she doesn't like people, she likes to be a star of the show.
Look at him. She's walking.
Wait.
She's walking.
Shut up, Chloe. Everyone knows that kittens can walk. Chloe. Kittens can walk.
She was walking to the camera.
Yeah, you guys, she was walking to the freaking camera.
But she's loving her sister.
By the way,
right now.